So hi everyone, once again welcome back to our online learning platform SP Lessons Competitive Exam. So today we are going to discuss about latest blood relations quiz. As before entering into blood relations topic, what is all about reasoning ability? Reasoning ability section is one of the key sections in several recruitment exams in India, including but not limited to banking, railway, staff selection commission, insurance, teaching, UPS and many other exams. In particular exams like IBPS, SBI and other bank related employment exams have reasoning questions along with English language and quantitative aptitude sections. Reasoning aptitude plays a very crucial role in every competitive exam. It is a vital element included in every competitive exam to judge the mental strength of the aspirants. Reasoning sections are a combination of verbal and non-verbal reasoning. The questions from both sections enable the examining committee to judge the aptitude knowledge of the candidates. Primarily, the test takers will have to attempt 35 questions in 15 to 20 minutes of time. Blood relations is all about the various relations exist in a family. These questions are to test the knowledge and skill of a candidate or aspirant. Some of the relations are listed below, so once check them. Mothers are father's son, brother. Mothers are father's daughter, sister. Mothers are father's brother, uncle. Mothers are father's sister, aunt. Mothers are father's father, grandfather. Mothers are father's mother, grandmother. Son's wife, daughter in law. Daughter's husband, son in law. Husbands are wife's sister, sister in law. Husbands are wife's brother, brother in law. Brother's son, nephew. Brother's daughter, niece. Uncle or aunt's son or daughter, cousin. Sister's husband, brother in law. Brother's wife, sister in law. Grandsons or granddaughter's daughter, great granddaughter. Maternal is the relation on mother's side, while paternal is the relation on father's side. So, mother's brother is maternal uncle, whereas father's brother is paternal uncle. Blood relations problems are of three types. They are convert jumbled up descriptions, second type relation puzzle, third type coded relations. So the first one, convert jumbled up descriptions. An indirect description is given in the form of little connections and is required to examine the entire chain of relations and convert the immediate relations between the persons concerned. Relation puzzle. One or more than two persons' common blood relations are mentioned. The candidate is required to examine the given information, work out on a family chart, and later on answer the given questions. Third type, coded relations. In coded relations, by using certain specific codes or symbols, the relationships are represented. Such symbols or codes are listed below, like plus, minus, asterisk, divided by dollar symbol at the rate of etc. So let's check some examples like model 1. Showing to a woman in the gallery, Angelina said her son's father is the son-in-law of my mother. Now how Angelina is related to this woman. So let's get into the solution, how we can solve this above reasoning ability related blood relation problem. Woman's son father is woman's husband. So, woman's husband is the son-in-law of Angelina's mother. That is, the woman is the daughter of Angelina's mother. So, therefore, Angelina is the woman's sister. Before answering these type of questions, you need to cut the problem one by one. As you can read the question for every uh, comma up to comma. So, then you will get an idea how you can solve the problem. So, as I have solved it, woman's son's father means woman's husband. Woman's husband is the son-in-law of Angelina's mother. That is, the woman is the daughter of Angelina's mother. So therefore, Angelina is the woman's sister. Model 2. S and T are brothers. U and V are sisters. S son is V's brother. how is T related to U? As before mentioned in the question, given that S and T are brothers, U and V are sisters. So, how T is related to U? S son is V's brother. Clearly, T is brother of S. S's son is V's brother. So this means V is the daughter of S. Since U and V are sisters, U is also the daughter of S. Therefore, T is the uncle of U. Model 3. George is son of John's father's sister. Jock is son of Grace, who is mother of Andrew and grandmother of John. Benton is father of Elias and grandfather of George. Grace is wife of Benton. By reading the given data carefully, answer the following questions. The first question is, how is George related to Grace? How is Andrew's wife related to Elias? So these two questions are provided on the basis of model 3 directions. The first question, how is George related to Grace? Grace is wife of Benton and Benton is grandfather of George. So George is Grace's grandson. The second question, how is Andrew's wife related to Elias? Elias is Benton's daughter as mentioned in the directions. Andrew is Grace's son and Benton is Grace's husband. So Andrew is Eli's brother and his wife is Eli's sister-in-law clearly. So before answering these type of questions, read the given data very carefully. Maybe sometimes there is a chance of misleading the question. So just be careful while answering these type of tricky blood relations questions, that too in the section of father, son, son's father, great grandfather. These type of questions may sometimes lead misconclusions from aspirant side. So be careful. The fourth model. Read the paragraph below and answer the questions. E plus F means E is the son of F. E minus F means E is the wife of F. E into F means E is the brother of F. E divided by F means E is the mother of F, and E equal to F means E is the sister of F. So if you are not clear about the question, just read the question again and again, maximum 3 times. If you are unable to answer the question, just leave the question and go to another section. Don't waste your time on particular question. So let's check the questions and try to answer the above questions. What does S equal to T plus U mean? Second question, what does S plus T minus U mean? Third question, what does S equal to T divided by U mean? The fourth question, what does S multiplication T divided by U mean? The very first question, what does S equal to T plus U mean? S equal to T plus U means S is the sister of T, who is the son of U. That is, S is the daughter of U. The second question, what does S plus T minus U mean? S plus T minus U means S is the son of T, who is the wife of U. That is, S is the father of U. How? Why? E minus F means E is the wife of F. So here we use F in the second question and we replaced plus symbol with data. Third question, what does S equal to T divided by U mean? S equal to T divided by U means S is the sister of T, who is the mother of U. That is, S is the aunt of U. As in the direction, E divided by F means E is the mother of F. E is the mother of F. The final question, what does S into T divided by U mean? S into T divided by U means S is the brother of T, who is the mother of U. That is, S is the uncle of U. Why? Here multiplication symbol E into F means E is the brother of F. So here we have replaced multiplication symbol with the brother. The first final model 5 question, if A plus B means A is the father of B, A into B means A is the brother of B, A minus B means A is the mother of B, then what does R minus P plus Q means? So Given that A plus B means A is the father of B, A minus B means A is the mother of B. So let's answer. Now R minus P plus Q means R is the mother of P, is the father of Q. Therefore P is the male and hence the son of R. So here I am providing some questions. So let's try to answer the questions by providing the directions which I have provided. So let's read the directions very clearly. These directions were 1 to 3 questions. So read the following information carefully and answer the questions given below. P is son of U's father's sister. R is son of S, who is the mother of T and grandmother of U. V is the father of W and grandfather of P. S is wife of V. T is sister of R. The first question you need to answer is, how is P related to S? A grandfather, B grandson, C son, D uncle, E none of these. So for these directions 1 to 3 questions I am not providing any answers. I just want to check whether you are able to answer these questions provided directions or not. If you are unable to answer this question, so let's make a comment on this video only, or you can ask questions. You can just send a mail career at the rate of itoolsinfo.com. So we'll provide suitable answers and suitable solutions for these questions, in which area you are unable to answer the question and which area you are lag. The second question, how is all related to P? A nephew, B uncle, C son, D father. E none of this. So let's try to answer this question too. The final question, how is T related to W? A niece, B sister, C sister-in-law, D mother, E mother-in-law. So you need to answer all these 3 questions by on the basis of the directions 1 to 3 which I have provided. Just read the paragraph, just read the directions clearly. Will definitely get one idea to answer these questions. And you can follow us on Facebook, that means https www.facebook.com/splessons, and you can send a message at careers at the rate of itoolsinfo.com at any time. And you can follow us on Twitter, Telegram, and lot of other social networking sites too. And you can get some ebooks which are very useful to answer reasoning ability, quantitative aptitude sections, and that to English language sections, English grammar sections, how to learn English language very easily. These type of ebooks and PDFs and some type of previous papers too. Thank you.